Hey guys, so I'm going to do a review of an Apple Pencil case. So I've done the beautiful thing of undoing the tape as I'm fed up with jump cutting. Now, just open it. Was that seriously the only bit of packaging they put in there? Okay. Well, that looks fine. So, just in a generic box with their logo on it. A WillGoo case that you can actually charge up the Apple Pencil in. Now, there's some tape on the side, which is fine, and nothing on the back, apart from the safety seals. That's not bad indeed. And it has been unleashed. So, we just have the instructions, which are very self-explanatory, that you really don't need instructions. But, here we go. Right, so it tells you how to use it. So, if I go down here, okay, how to use the box. Use microSD, and you can charge it with microSD card, with a microSD cable. I wish that was lightning, but that's okay. And then blue LED will be on, fully charged. That's fine. Specifications, so it just shows you where to put everything. So Apple Pencil in the main bit. That's perfectly fine. And here we go. So it feels amazing, and it's got just the branding there. Feels pretty cool. Just got plastic around the side. So I'll just take this plastic off. Satisfying. So just plastic, which is fine. And this is soft plastic. So if I lift this up, it's magnetic, which is fantastic. So if I just do a little shake, secure, which is perfect. That's what we need. And here's the inside. So our pencil goes here. Then you have the nib, extra cap, extra tip, and that lightning to lightning port thing. Still so sad that the new Apple Pencil came out, but like, I'm not buying the new iPad as it bends. And they've got the micro USB cable, which has the flat bit that you stick right in here. And then you can put the Apple Pencil on there. That's actually not bad. Attempt to test that with an Apple Pencil. Now, I have bought 2 Apple Pencils now, because I like to switch them out when I'm drawing. So, let's get out the iPad. Boom. Need to get a new case for this actually. It's I don't know what I did there, but hey. Okay. So, with this, it comes with an Apple Pencil bit, because I've got 2, I kind of want an extra place. So, will it actually fit in there? Yes. Yes, it fits. It actually fits. This is amazing. Holy Shinoda. Okay. No, I'm happy with it. Cool. Okay. So, the tip goes in here. Nice and snug. Okay. I've just set this up properly. See when I set up to micro USB? The instructions are wrong. It's actually lightning. This is even more awesome. So, oh, that explains why it said updated in the listing. It actually charges via lightning cable. This is awesome! Okay, so I thought this was micro USB because that's what it said in the instructions. But, no, it is lightning. If it focuses, that would be fantastic. Okay, so it's lightning to USB. So, this adapter right here can be used with this cable. Okay, that's actually amazing. Even at the box, it already has 2 bars of charge. So, this is what I've been wanting in my life. And if I can get this out with my nails, it would be a miracle. No. I shouldn't have invest in tweezers, shouldn't I? Just okay. So, what are these called? The lightning adapters? So, I don't know. But, it charges with lightning. Oh yeah, brainstorm of the day. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you in the next